I have this half-cooked fish, half-cooked shrimps, and being it's a stew, I'm going to add a few vegetables as a base. So I have chopped onions, carrots, yellow bell peppers, and bottle gourd squash, and I'm going to have this diced tomatoes as a base, and I'm going to half cook these vegetables in there. For the taste and spiciness, I'm going to add jalapeños as well. We have the veg stew base ready. So you can really customize it. You can add chicken or any kind of fishes, but today I'm going to explore the fishes option. I'm going to add this in this pot. I'm going to top it with the fishes, and I'm going to quickly bake it.